Good evening, my dear student. Today the practical geometry I will teach. So it's a geometry. I already know the practical geometry. So using the scale, pencil and compass, protector. So everything used to draw the figure. That one is the construction of a practical geometry. That's not a construction. It's a practical geometry. You tell us it's a construction method. Construction is nothing but to construct some steps to construct the one figure. So construction of quadrilateral means a quadrilateral had 10 elements. So 4 sides, 4 angle and 2 diagonals. However, only 5 elements are sufficient for constructing a quadrilateral. So any 5 sufficient element will be given means you make to construct the quadrilateral. So quadrilateral is nothing but 4 side, any 4 side will be joined together. So that one is called quadrilateral. So many types of quadrilateral to construct. One is 4 side with 1 diagonal form, and the next one is 3 side with 2 diagonal form. Next one is 4 side with 1 angle form, and the fourth method is 3 side with 2 angles, and the last method, is the fifth method, 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles. 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles. That means only like this. 2 lines joined together. That 2 line is called the adjacent side, and 1 angle will make to draw the quadrilateral. And the next will be not to proceed anywhere because this is not easy. It's some complicated things. So construction of the next one is parallelogram. So up to 5 construction you will draw the quadrilateral. The remainings are parallelogram. Now you study only the quadrilateral for the examination. So I go to the exercise. In exercise, the first sum, construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is given, BC is given, CD is given, DA is given and BD is given. First of all, you put the box. The box first column will be given as given means what are the given will be given. So all sides will be given, and a rough diagram. So you put the box, and extra line is BD because AB is one of the lines. So ABCD I name the drawing. AB is 4.5 centimeter, BC is 4 centimeter, CD is 6 centimeter, DA is 3 centimeter, and one more thing is BD. That means that one is the diagonal. So 4 side with 1 diagonal is the given construction. So BD is 6.5 centimeter. So BD you will draw the line 6.5 centimeter. So this is the rough diagram. You do the fair diagram. You start from the base AB. So you go for the exercise. First you place the scale in center of the note. The base is 4.5 centimeter AB. So start from 0. So you will draw up to 4.5. Suppose it's not to draw the continuous line, you have some shivering in your hand, means you put the first dot in the 0 and the second dot in the 4.5 centimeter. After removing the scale, you turn the note to your own side. So you will draw one line. So the line is called 4.5 centimeter. So you named as A, B, 4.5 centimeter. Not to exceed any line, you start from 0 and end with 4.5 line only. Not to extend. So extend means the drawing will be collapsed. So you have a quadrilateral, base is 4.5 centimeter. So you put the line using the scale and pencil to draw. Start from 0 and the end point is B, 4.5 centimeter. After that, one of the side is BC. BC is 4 centimeter. Not to use any scale to draw the 4.6 centimeter. So using the compass. So using the compass, you will make to draw the 4 centimeter BC. So how to draw the 4 centimeter BC means you take a compass. You take a measure 4 centimeter. So the next one, using the scale to measure the 4 centimeter. So one of the tip of the compass you placed in the 0 and the other tip, the pencil side will be extend to cut the 4 centimeter. So this one is 4 centimeter. So one point is start from 0, the other point end with 4. So 4 centimeter I measured in the compass. So the compass having placed in the B because BC is 4 centimeter. So you see this, the B point, the end, the line will end, that point is called the B point. So B point, I place the compass needle and using the pencil to draw one arc of 4 centimeter. This is the arc. So you see this is the arc. So the next one, AD having the point, that means DA is the 3 centimeter. So I using the compass to draw that. So I place the needle in the 0 and the pencil will be placed in the 3. So I extend, this one is 3 centimeter compass. So I place the A because DA is 3 centimeters. So I place the A point. I draw one arc. That one is called 3 centimeter arc. So now the one more thing of the given is, first I draw the base 4.5 centimeter. After that I taken the BC 4 centimeter, I draw, finish that. AD I draw the 3 centimeter arc, that also finished. The one more point, 6.5 centimeter of the diagonal. So BD is the diagonal, that means D line already 3 centimeter I draw in the before. So now 6.5 centimeter B as center, to cut the arc means I make the D. So I want the 6.5 centimeter. So now this compass is like a 6.5 centimeter because I want the D point. So I place the compass in B point. I cut this AD arc. So the cutting point is called the D. So using the pencil to mark the cut point, so 2 arc will be cut. So this point is, I measured that this point is called D. So after doing this, after you finish that, you find the D point, you will join the point DA and DB. Now you will write the measurement 3 centimeter, 6.5 centimeter. So now half of the quadrilateral will be finished. So AB is already finished. In B, I take the B measuring 4 centimeter. I cut the arc for C. In A point, A as center, I cut the arc first in 3 centimeter, and BD is the diagonal. So I place the B using 6.5 centimeter. I cut the 3 centimeter arc. I cut the 6.5 centimeter. So these two arc will be cut. That point is called D. So I make the D means I joined the DA and BD. Now the measuring will be finished. Now only one point will be I draw. That point is called AB finished, BD DA finished, BD finished, BC finished. The one more is the given CD. CD is 6.5 centimeter. So using the D points, D is the basic point. So D point, I place the D point. I take 6.5 centimeter. I cut the BC line means I make the CC point. Now D is center. My measure is called 6.5 centimeters. So D is center. I cut this line. So this line is called 6.5 centimeter. D as center, I cut the line. So this is the BC line 4 centimeters. So D as center, I cut the line. Already one arc is there for BC. So that arc will be I cut placing the D. I cut the arc. Now it will make as this cutting point is called C. Now I will join the DC and BC. So now I join the BC and DC. So this is called 6.5 centimeter. So this is the construction of a quadrilateral. This is called the quadrilateral ABCD. So everyone do like this. So using the measure to do the sum. So one sum I will do in the book. So this is the construction of quadrilateral, children. So everyone do this sum in your note. So you have a practical note means geometry note means you do the geometry, right hand side you will do the sum, Otherwise you don't have the geometry moments, no problem, you do in the classwork itself. In classwork the upside will be not to take in a downward page. That means you have a short note only. In short note the upper side is something complicated to do the sums, so downward, that means you place the note at that side only you do the sum. So the next one, you have a homework. In first sum, second subdivision you take it as a homework because the same method. And example, that means the topic construction, page number G19, construction 1, that one is the example. So that example and second subdivision you take it as a homework. So practice these 3 sums for the exam. Thank you children to watching the video.